Starting off with one of the most impressive home improvements that add value to your house, we have someone build a fire pit on their own. If you went onto the market, a conventional fire kit would cost you thousands of dollars. With this addition, you can save money and add much needed warmth to your house. With this fire pit, you can install a barbecue pit and get your friends and family over. Watch this worker build out an impressive fire pit on his own. Just be careful about how he takes care of the drainage and exhaust. We have some of the best home improvement projects you can make, adding immense value and aesthetics to your house. Another way you can improve the look and value of your house is by installing artificial turf grass. Synthetic turf has various benefits, as it looks original, needs no watering, and can withstand harsh weather conditions. Moreover, a good turf has a life expectancy of up to 15 years. It can be easily installed. You only need a shovel and some utility knives to prepare the ground and lay the turf over it. Turf is cost-effective and is a viable option for kids to play in the backyard. Want to improve your backyard? We have some amazing DIY techniques coming up ahead. Well, you can always add a touch of flair to your home with a swing. Just like this craftsman who has a hobby of making world-class swings, such as the one you can see, which he built for his neighbor. He used red cedar wood here, which is known for its durability and aesthetic beauty. He's created many more in various styles and colors besides that swing. What makes these swings special is that part of the money goes to a charity called the St. Jude Dream Home Giveaway, which helps children with cancer by providing their families with housing, food, and travel incentives. Do you own a guitar? Well, get ready to store it in this cool place now. Many of us own a guitar, but this guy got his signed by his favorite band, Linkin Park, and knew he had to store it in the best case possible. Therefore, he came up with this impressive design, which features LED lights within and a glass frame at the front of it all. The case was made from durable and strong wood and looks a great addition to any home's look. Do you have a favorite band you'd love to get a signature of? If you have a pond in your home, then you'll absolutely love the next item, saving you plenty of money. Next up, this creator came up with a unique and affordable option for creating a filter for your pond. You can see the dirty pond before you and just wait for the results. All you need is a plastic drum, some PVC pipes, a plastic elbow, and some filtering options like these flexible PVC pipes in the washing bag. These pipes can be bought from Amazon, and a pack of 300 pipes would cost you $25. You can assemble the components as explained, and you'll have much cleaner and safer water for your fish in a few days. If you don't have a pond in your home, don't worry. We have a DIY pond coming up later in this video. If you've ever moved houses, you would know how tough it is to move heavy boxes from one place to another. A similar problem was faced by this father-son duo, who had to lift plenty of boxes from their garage to their attic. And that's when they came up with this ingenious solution. They built an elevator that could handle a total load of up to 250 kilograms, which was perfect for their work. The lift was powered by a 1.4 horsepower engine and was perfectly engineered. On top of that, it also featured an emergency braking system for extra safety. We are now down to the top 10 home improvement projects and still have some of the best inventions to come. One thing that would instantly alleviate the look of your house is a brand new porch and stairs. However, that would cost you a lot. But if you can do it on your own, just like this guy from Canada who transformed his old and weary porch into a brand new aesthetic staircase. Watch how he effortlessly does his work. You can view his entire progress on his channel. He does everything from choosing the perfect wood to ensuring it meets the best finishing. He also made sure to make the stairs durable. And you can see how happy he is after completing this commendable task. Automation is taking over the world, and our next home improvement will add a touch of smartness to your home. This gate opener operates the same way as a manual one, but has one key difference. You can simply open it with a push of a button, or from a remote control up to a distance of 40 meters, and can make a great impression in front of your guests. So, do you plan on making your home smart? Moving on, we have one more smart device coming up that can be placed in every room of your house. This is another innovative addition to your backyard that can help you enjoy movie nights with your partner. And on top of all, it comes at an affordable price. This is a hammock with a pergola, and it will only cost you $300 to build from scratch. This couple did a fantastic job sharing step-by-step instructions and uploaded videos of their entire process. The entire process doesn't take long and is quite durable, as it can hold up to 204 kilograms. You can set up a projector at some distance and relax in your backyard after a long day at work, watching your favorite movie. Want to change your bed? How about this levitating bed we're about to cover next? This bed looks straight out of a Harry Potter movie and is something that was previously used in Hogwarts. However, you need no magical skills to create this, just a bit of woodworking skills. The creator of this bed thought about a simple trick, to create a shorter base for the larger bed in between, making it appear as if it's floating from afar. Adding LED lights at the bottom of the bed also added to the aesthetics and mystery of this cool bed. Would you fancy something like this in your bedroom? Remember how we talked about having a pond of your own? Well, let's get into this amazing DIY pond. If you have some space in your garden, prepare today for this amazing garden pond you can create on your own by following this creator's instructions. Watch how he prepares a smooth base for the pond, and to top it all off, adds a pod as the head of the pond. Doesn't it look amazing? Coming down to the top 5 home improvements on our list today, we still have an incredible ceiling style coming up. Do you have a spare tire in your garage? Well, now you can turn it into a fancy table and use it as a coffee table for the outdoors, or just gift it to your car enthusiast friend. You can hop onto their channel and see them do much more impressive stuff. This table looks aesthetic and adds a wow factor to your outdoors. Moreover, it costs nothing extra apart from the base and the glass. You can make your own today by following the steps of these creators. Do you have a rusty wall in your house that you want to hide? Well, there's no better way to decorate it than this one coming up. This woman is about to devise a unique and beautiful solution for this blank wall. She decorates the wall with lattice wood pieces she got from her neighbor. She then filed them, cut them into different shapes, and assembled the pieces harmoniously to look perfect on the walls. She fixed them in the wells quite perfectly. And the best part came when she threw in the roses between the lattice. Watch how incredible and aesthetic it actually looks. Talking about aesthetics, we still have an amazing product coming up that would be a must-have in your home. We made a bed earlier, and now it's time to alleviate your ceiling. Do you love clouds? Then you should definitely try this unique way of setting up a cloud ceiling using basic materials like polyester or polypropylene. You can paste the polyester to the ceiling using any adhesive, and then add a 10-meter LED strip featuring multiple colors. Now it's just time to relax and enjoy the cloud show from your bed. Another smart home gadget you can build it all for just $182. This technology comes straight from the Netherlands, where the creator of this product designed and created this innovative smart trash can. It can be installed anywhere in your home and even comes up with extra garbage bags. Add a touch of hygiene and tech to your home with this new gadget. Coming down to number 1, we have this amazing gadget that comes straight out of a magic show. Just have a look at this fountain, and aren't you amazed? This unconventional setup is pretty easy to make, and everyone can set it up in their homes, adding to the mystery of your guests. You'd need a bucket or a tub at the bottom, some pebbles, a faucet, and a clear acrylic tube. The one you see in the video is about 50 centimeters long. You can find step-by-step instructions about the construction of this tool from the owner's website, and you can even store this unique fountain on your shelves in the lounge.